Okay, so 2 days ago, we started the reference page, if you look at it, with all of the side angle, side angle, so forth. We didn't get to this 2 days ago, so you have to first start off with knowing that the angle right here is in between the two sides. Starting with this one, segment AB is congruent to segment DE. So that's those two sides. The angle comes next, and because there's only one angle at those letters, you can just write angle B is congruent to angle E. And then you state the second side, the third part of the congruent triangle. So segment BC is congruent to segment EF. Once you have all of those congruent, those statements, once you have all three of those statements, you've proven them, you can then do the congruency statement, which would be triangle ABC is congruent to triangle DEF. All right, so trying to prove your first proof, and I think we actually already did this one. No, we did not. Okay, that's good. So for the first statement, segment JM is congruent to segment NL. So this one right here. So JM NL is going to be your given for your angle JMN. So you're looking at this angle right here. And then LNM, so LNM, so you're looking at this angle right there. This was also given. So that was my roommate, funny as it is. The third statement right here, segment MN is congruent to segment MN. We usually do that to show that it's being used in both triangles, and because it's the same segment in both triangles, you're going to have reflex. Now, did we prove it by side angle side? Well, yes, we did. This was a side, this was an angle, and that was a side. So therefore, the proof is done. So with 5, if you're looking at it, this right here bisects. Remember, bisect means cut into 2 equal parts. So if BD is bisecting angle ABC, that means that this right here is going to be congruent to this one. So this angle is congruent to this angle. Pause the video, you try this proof, and then check afterwards. Okay, so hopefully you tried this proof on your own. A couple things really quick. This right here is very, very important. Segment BD bisects this angle. Remember, bisect means cut into 2 equal parts. Very important. So if we go through the proof, this one's your very first one. 2 segments congruent. This is a dead end. It doesn't go anywhere. It can't go anywhere. It's stuck. So that's your given. You mark it right there. And then this is your other given. It's not a dead end because of this word right here. It is not a dead end because of that word right there, bisects. How do we get the next statement? Definition of angle bisector. This right here, this angle bisector, this right here is very, very important. You have to make sure you say angle bisector. Otherwise, you'll get it wrong. So please, please, please make sure you remember that. And then again, our reflexive property. And so you have side, angle, side. So our proof is side, angle, side. With number 6, did I put it up there? Oh, yes, I did. Best friend. For number 6, right here, this angle is going to be your vertical angle. That's going to be your best friend. Don't forget that. All right, so vertical angles, don't forget that. Please try number 6, and then I will let you know what your homework will be for the side angle side.